Introduction to Networking. Things you must know as a beginner. Welcome. Today, we're talking about networking. Networking is how computers and devices communicate with each other. Let's go over some key points you should know. 1. What is networking? Networking connects computers so they can share information. This can be done through cables or wirelessly. Think of it like a network of roads where cars, data, travel. 2. Types of networks. Local area network, LAN. This is a small network, like in a home or office. Wide area network, WAN. This connects larger areas, like cities or countries. The internet is a big wide area network. 3. Basic components. Router. This device connects different networks and directs data. Switch. This connects devices within a LAN and helps them talk to each other. Modem. This connects your network to the internet. 4th, IP addresses. Every device on a network has a unique address called an IP address. It's like a home address for your computer. 5. Security. Always protect your network with strong passwords. Use firewalls and antivirus software to keep your data safe. 6. Common terms. Bandwidth. This is the amount of data that can be sent over a network at one time. Latency. This is the delay before data starts to transfer. 7. Learning more. There are many resources online to help you learn about networking. Consider taking courses or reading books. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful content. Happy networking!